Hi, this is Asasha over here, and today I'll be discussing about the Cornell method of note taking. So, this method will help you to take notes in meeting with clients, during workshops, or if you're a student during lectures. So the strength of this method basically lies in the way that the notes are taken and the layout of the page. So Cornell method was developed in, I think, in the 1950s in the Cornell University. So what we do is we have a page, let's suppose this big, and we draw a line that is almost 7 centimeter wide, and we have another line at the bottom of the page. So this is the basic layout of the page, and each of these sections basically is where we record different sorts of information. So when we talk about this section, this is where we write the comments, cues, keywords, or questions. Over here in this section, we write down the notes. But important thing that we have to consider or keep in mind when writing notes is that the notes should be not more than 5 to 6 words long sentences. And in the bottom section, which should be almost 10 centimeter wide, is where we write the summary of the notes that we have taken. One more thing, at the top of the page, this is where we write the heading or agenda of our meeting. When we are taking or recording lecture or taking notes during a meeting, we write the notes over here and the keywords over here. Not after the meeting or the lecture is over, then we write the summary of whatever we have understood or taken from the meeting. So afterwards, how do we make the Cornell method more effective? This could be done by following 4 steps, which are basically we record the information over here. After the information has been recorded and important keywords have been written over here, then we take a piece of paper and we hide this portion, basically this portion, the note taking method portion, with a piece of paper, and then we review the comments, the keywords, the questions, and we try to answer these questions from the notes. And after we have recited or we have reviewed the notes from the by using the help of the keywords and the question in this section, what we do is we ask few other questions, or this is the third step, is where we reflect and find out what is the important of these notes that I have taken, what are the practical application of these points that I have written, what different principles that they are based on, and how can I fit this in a bigger picture. So after that you have reflected, you move on to the summary section, and you basically what you do is you review the notes and write a brief summary of whatever you have written in the notes section. So I hope this small but effective video has been helpful, and you will be able to make good and better notes whether you're a student or a marketer or a business consultant. Cornell Method will help you to not only take better and effective notes, but to remember these notes in the longer run as well. Thank you.